Okay, we are starting out in the car again. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, in honor of the newest Sailor Moon film that was just released on Netflix a few days ago, today we're going to be visiting the Temple of the Guardians Cafe here at Popfancy. But before we go in, make sure to hit subscribe if you want to see more content like this so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Now I'm so excited because we're actually going to be trying some items from the exclusive menu, and I'm just saying everything looks so delicious. Of course, you can always come and enjoy their regular menu, but for all you Sailor Moon fans out there, this one's for you. All of the Sailor Scouts and their outfits. I think these are actually going to be up for auctioning off, so if you're interested, bid on them. Lots of merch for you guys to buy. There's like sweatshirts, hoodies, tote bags, t-shirts, and then they have plushies and pillows up there. If you open up each cabinet, there are lots of different t-shirt designs to choose from. Well, those kind of look the same, but lots of different ones. More shirt designs. This one's actually really cool. It looks like a cereal ad. So first up, we have the Princess Serenity's Raspberry. It's raspberry cheesecake and it comes with a sour belt. So cute. Oh my god, it's so good. I've had the raspberry cheesecake before, but I don't know. I wasn't really a fan of it last time, but I really like it this time for some reason. Yeah. Oh, it's so good. Get some of the whipped cream on it. I would definitely try to get this one. I think they have it at most of the cafes, just under a different name every time. But I think it's definitely one of the classic ones that you need to try. Next up, we have the Moon Gorgeous Meditation. It's a cherry blossom tea, and I've had it before. But there's something about the cute decorations that just always makes me want to get it again. It comes with this really cute cup sleeve. It's just so cute. But we're gonna see how it tastes. It's always super refreshing, and it also comes with crystal boba. Oh yeah, and it's sparkling. Yeah, it's sparkling cherry blossom tea with crystal boba. And I think that if you want something refreshing, something sweet, it's a really good item to try. All right, so we were back in the car. I really wanted to talk more and vlog a little bit more, but unfortunately I was sitting right next to the speaker and you wouldn't have been able to hear anything that I was saying. I probably might have to go back, watch the footage, and put subtitles in those clips. But yes, the items I had, they were really good. I strongly recommend the raspberry cheesecake and the cherry blossom tea. I would say if you have a sweet tooth, they're both really satisfying. But if you miss out on getting them, don't worry, they always tend to show up in some form in other cafes. I think if you're a Sailor Moon fan, you're gonna really want to check out this cafe because there's so much merchandise. There's really cool art installations. If you even saw in Sailor Moon, they're actually using this projector special effects, so it's pretty cool stuff. All right, guys, well, that is it for the Temple of the Guardians Cafe. Let me know if you plan on going and what item are you most excited to try. Leave it in the comments below. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!